Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter of class 10 SCRT, that is Telangana board, and the chapter is 12th chapter, and name of the chapter is applications of trigonometry. This is the first lecture of this chapter, so as it is I'll discuss about the concepts and examples related to, and once you are clear with the concepts, then you can move freely with the exercise. So let's start. Here is the intro part. Okay, and in textbook, if you will go through, so you'll find various like first three examples. So I have skipped those first three, and I'll let you know why, because those three examples are given about the intro, and those three examples I will explain only with these two triangles. So let's start with the first triangle. Here this horizontal line, it represents the ground, and this is a vertical line. Okay, it represents a pole. So whenever just remember this point, whenever there is a representation of a tree, pole, or something which contains some height, let's say even a mountain, so you uh, just have to draw single vertical line. No need to draw mountain, pole, or tree, nothing. Okay, and then there is a line which touches both the peak and the ground. Okay, so does, if you will observe, so it is forming a right angle triangle. Yes. Okay, yeah. So in this case, what we are doing is, there is a person who is standing on a ground, and he is at some distance from the foot of the pole, and he is looking at the highest point of the pole. Okay, so this is the highest point. Thus, if a person looks upward, okay, uh, towards something, okay, which is at height, so for that we call it as angle of elevation. Okay, and this angle we call theta. Okay, and if a person is standing, let's say, on a building or on a pole or on something which is at height, and if he looks down, so the angle which is formed with the ground is known as angle of depression. Okay, this is the angle. Okay, and this will be equal because due to alternate. Okay, yes. So these are the only two key points which you need to understand. Rest all are same as we have discussed in the trigonometry topic. Okay, so even theta is same. Let's say if I want to find this one, and if this is given, so sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Everything is same. No need to worry. No need to worry. Even here also angle of elevation. Yes. So make sure that you can understand angle of elevation and depression, and it is only for the purpose that you can draw the right triangle, the right shape according to the given question. That's it. Only for that purpose. Okay, and once you are able to draw the given triangle, then your half of the task is done. Let's move on to the fourth example. In this fourth example, as I have not written question due to the place constant. Okay, space constant. Yes, so what it is given, I'll let you know. See here, there is a pole. Okay, a pole is given, and the distance from pole to the to the pole to the foot is 8 meter, and angle of elevation is given over here. This is the angle of elevation. Okay, and this so you are asked to find what is the height of the pole. So you are asked about this, and you are given this and this. So already you have seen in trigonometry topic. If at all you want to go through the question, so you can refer the textbook. Okay, yes. So here, what is the relation between opposite, adjacent, and angle? So we all know that tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent, that is BC by, yes, BC by AB. Okay, so what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. And root 3 for this pole, if you want to take x, so you can take, or else let it be as BC, as we have marked BC as height. Okay. Thus BC is equals to 8 into root 3. Thus height of the pole is 8 into root 3. That's it. Simple it is. Applications of trigonometry is one of the simplest topic if you are aware of trigonometry. If you are not, so please go through my videos on trigonometry to understand the basics of trigonometry. Let's move on to the fifth example, and this is the last example of exercise 12.1. Okay, yeah. So even here I have not written, but it is of angle of depression. Yes, you will understand this by this dots. Okay, so once the angle, someone is standing on the top and he is looking to the bottom. Okay. And the angle made by him is 45 with the ground. And one more data which is given is yes, so this is helicopter. Okay, okay. Yes, so there is a person who is standing over here. Okay, and there is a helicopter which goes 500, and from there it makes this angle with the ground. Okay, so you are asked to tell what is AC. So AC is nothing but hypotenuse. So if there is a relation which is asked about opposite and hypotenuse, so definitely you are aware of this. It is nothing but sine theta. Yes, so sine 45 is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse by opposite by hypotenuse, that is 500 by AC. Thus 1 by root 2 is equals to 500 by AC. Okay, and AC equals to 500 root 2. Thus this you got as 500 root 2. That's it. So thank you for the for listening the class, and in our next video lecture we'll discuss about the exercise problems of 12.1. Till then, practice and become perfect.